Parallel parking is one of the most intimidating events in rodeo and during your CHP drive test, but here's how to make it simple. Right turn signal on, right mirror zone, interior mirror zone, front mirror zone, left mirror zone, and right mirror zone. Doug is approaching the outside barriers 6 to 12 inches away. He is closer to 12 inches away. He is watching his cross view mirror, convex mirror, flat mirror, looking through the windshield. He is going to stop when his vehicle reference point, which is his rear tire, the bottom of the rear tire, is right next to the front barrier. Once he sees that in his right flat mirror, he's going to stop completely. He's going to go full lock right. And he's going to begin backing, and he's going to be watching the left flat mirror. So here you will see him backing up. He is now watching the left flat mirror. He is looking for the inside barrier, the rear barrier, the one that is right there next to the rope. Once he sees it, he's going to stop completely. That's what you want to do too. You want to go full lock left at this point. Full lock left. Once you go full lock left, you're going to begin backing. It's important that you stop completely when you make these turning and steering adjustments. So he's full lock left. He is now watching his convex mirror and his cross view mirror. He is going to stop approximately 12 inches away from the front barrier, and he's going to straighten out his tires, and he's going to begin to back up nice and straight. Doug likes to get the bus a little bit closer to the rope, so you saw he made a little slight adjustment to the right, but nothing drastic. Once the front bumper of his bus clears the front barrier, he goes full lock left. And now he is watching the right flat mirror. He is also keeping in mind that he does not want the front of the bus to be more than 5 feet away from the front barrier. He's going to stop completely, full lock right, move forward, get as close as he can to the front barrier, just as you see there. He's going to go full lock left. He's going to begin to back up. He's going to start trying to get the bus within 3 inches away from the rope, keeping in mind how much space he has behind him. Once he feels safe, he's going to stop completely, full lock right, and move forward. And his goal is to bring both the front and the back half of the bus as close as possible to the rope, and then stop and secure the bus. Once again, this is a 3-minute time limit. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you for being here. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming training content. And remember to stay consistent, keep your standards high, and trust the process, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.